Hi, third grade. It's Miss Beatty here. I am here to give you a quick recap video of our Math MIU 1 lessons 2.5 and 2.6. We are still learning the basics of multiplication, and we are learning how to skip count, especially on this lesson, and solve word problems with skip counting. So let's take a look. Okay, so here's our standards really quick. Let me see if I can change the view on here to make it bigger. Perfect. Okay, so we are still learning how to demonstrate an understanding of multiplication and division involving equal groups. Remember that word equal groups, pairs, and we're learning multiplication sentences. Okay, that's a quick recap. So remember, you can always create a number line to practice your skip counting. Let me get you started on one. The first number we are skip counting by is 3. So if you look at our number line right here, we start at 3, but there's some missing numbers at the end. So let's count together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. What's next? If you don't know off the top of your head, you can always solve it by, watch this, you're going to draw a little arrow. I'm going to say, I'm adding 3. I know that 18 plus 3 is 21. And if you keep going, 21 plus 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So the last number you end up on is 27. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and erase that. Let's see if I can find. Let me go ahead and erase all of that. Erase, erase, erase. Okay. Moving on to our next slide. We can get there here. Let's see. All right, skip counting by 6. So now on the skip counting by 6 to solve, you would still use the number line, and instead of adding 3, you would add 6. So really quickly, let's just do 1. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. We don't know what the next one is. So let's make our little, let's make our little line. Add 6, 36 plus 6. What do you think it is? 42. All right. I'm going to go ahead and erase that one as well. And then move on. This eraser doesn't work as fast as my other ones on the actual board. That's okay. All right, next. So let's try a problem together. So I'm going to exit my screen, my webcam, and just watch the screen. Catherine's class is counting around by 3s. What number does the 9th student say? So in order to solve this, we're going to draw a number line first. Okay, make it a long number line. And since I know that we want to find out what the 9th student says, I'm going to draw 9 little notches here in my number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we are counting by 3s, so we need to start at the number 3. So let's imagine that the classroom is counting around. So the first number is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. How do I find out that last one? Remember, we are skip counting by 3s. So 24 plus 3 is what? Think about it for a few seconds. You're right. 24 plus 3 is 27. So your answer would be 27 because we are on the 9th student. 9 lines, 9 students, 27. Okay. So let's, I found a shortcut to do that. Perfect. Okay. So next. So now you're going to try one on your own piece of paper, But since you did that in class, we're just going to do this together. Problem number 2 says, the students continue counting around. What number does the 11 student say? So, again, I'm going to do a different colored number line. Blue. Okay, so we want to find out what the 11th student says. So I'm going to make my number line again, but instead of 9, I'm going to do 11 notches this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can solve this by doing this all over again, or we can remember that the 9th student said 27. So let's look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He said 27. We want to figure out what the 11th student said. So let's count on still. 27 plus 3. You can do it in your head. 27, add 3 more, is 30. 30 plus 3, so we're going to get our final answer, is 33. Got it. Okay, next up, let's review. Oops, I'm going a little too far. It's okay. Let's fix that. So let's review skip counting. Remember, we have skip counting by 2s. They are all highlighted in the different colors here. We start at 2 and at 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. These are supposed to be somewhere close in an interactive notebook where you can grab them. I'm sure you have your number charts to skip count by. So there's 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6, 7s, and 10s. These are the ones that we've learned about so far. So these were the problems that you had to do independently. Let's go through one together so you know what to do at home. It's called How Many Legs? Solve the problems and show your solutions. On number 1, it says cats have 4 legs. The first question is asking, how many legs are on 3 cats? Well, if I know that 1 cat has 4 legs, I'm going to first start with doing 1, 2, 3, 4. But I need 3 cats, so I'm going to keep going. I'm going to add another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But there's 3 cats, so I have to add it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many's here? 5, 10, 11, 12. Let me show you a different way to solve that. You can also just say, I'm going to add 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. If I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8, I can solve what 8 plus 4 is. I'm going to bring that 4 down. 8 plus 4 is 12. So there are 12 legs on 3 cats. Okay, so then it will keep asking how many legs are on 7 cats. The addition sentence of that would be, since we know that there's 4 legs, watch what we're going to do here. I need to add 4 together 7 times. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So what we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 4 plus 4. And then you would solve your answer. Okay. So your next, number 2 is talking about insects. Insects have 6 legs. So then it would ask how many are on a certain amount of insects. So that's the end of our video. Make sure to review this video if you have any questions on math. And if you still have questions, please refer to our resource room at school. They would love to help you. And have a great rest of your day.